Hello and welcome to Informatica support videos. My name is Donald OG and today's topic is on how to use a decision task in a task flow in IICS. So today's agenda is basically how to use decision tasks in a task flow, followed by a brief demo. So why use decision task? Well, we use them to create branches or paths in a task flow. It simplifies the task flow by enabling us to specify conditions that determine the execution path in the task flow. And I'll show an example in a demo. Okay, so I went ahead and created a simple task flow. This task flow has two data tasks. So as you can see, the data task basically has a mapping task inside of it. And between the two data tasks, we have a decision task. And so the options for the decision task, you can either choose field or formula. For this demo, I'm choosing the field, and there are other options within the field, right? But I'm choosing the task status inside the output parameter, right? And my condition basically says if path 1 contains the task status of 1, go ahead and execute data task 2. Otherwise, basically ends the job. Okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and save and run this task flow. I'll go to my jobs to look at the status. All right, so we can see, all right, so basically we can see that the job ran successfully, right? So the first task ran and loaded some data. And then because the decision task condition was met, it went ahead and executed the second task. So that's pretty much how to use a decision task in your task flow. Thank you for watching. We would like to hear from you. You can either contact us on supportvideos@informatica.com or twitter.com/infasupport. Thank you.